Well, I just took in a truckload of scrap metal from recycling old electronics and random stuff around the house and farm. Apparently, it's a bad time to be scrapping. The sheet iron, regular steel, is only $50 a ton now. That's terrible. Made $8 on that. Clean aluminum from heat sinks and random bars of aluminum out of a pinball machine and random scrap. 43 cents a pound. It made 17.63. The copper wire stripped, the clean copper, $2.57 a pound. Made 46.26. The copper wires with the coating on it and with the plugs and random stuff is 93 cents a pound. Made $4.65. And low grade circuit boards, just random remote controls or anything but a motherboard out of a computer. It's only 25 cents a pound. It's a total 411 pounds worth of scrap. Made $78.79. Cleaned out the garage, but usually it should have been twice that.